add palm oil, little palm oil, just a drop. Pums.
They don't carry feed go.
Yes. Let's wash Bitterleaf.
Now they talk.
Bitterleaf for Bitterleaf.
The man don't carry the feed go.
Ah.
The man don't carry the feed go give them for the farm.
There's still plenty inside the bag. Let's start with this one first.
Okay, now man go carry a man.
I'll put it like that.
Okay, close the door.
Can go and put in that place we want to burn something. Go and put in that place we want to burn. You just listen and pack it now. Are you afraid of that thing? Listen. Don't be afraid, shut up for me.
What are you saying? Come on, eat my hand.
Girl, see how she just cut with the stem and put. Small water. So now I'm going to grate it with the grater. See this one, but yeah, do this one well. See what you put for us. You see what I'm doing. If you grate it like this, the foam will be coming out.
It's just the water you need.
Eh?
It's just water you need. Even if you use your hand, the foam will still come out.
But that using my hand, I don't really like it.
So make your hand to be.
Either I pound it or I do it like this.
I say, do you need only the water?
Do I need what?
Only the water.
Sure. Ovie say whether I need only the water. We'll throw the leaf away. So why is it now bitter leaf soup? It's supposed to be bitter water soup. Bitter water soup, not bitter leaf soup. Ovie. How are you, baby? I'll use my hand now. This. Leave it, leave it. Put it in the plate, Mama. This one is the water. So, to stop the foam, I'll add palm oil, little palm oil, just a drop. Pums. See, it will cut the foam. Shall you see? So the foaming will not be there again because of the palm oil. Oh, sorry. Of your please give me plates. Let me put it. Check that my tape it. Are you doing full? Yeah, enter full.
No, let me stop.
Eat now, Mama. I'm done washing. This is how it looks. Okay. Oh God. Thank you so much for watching. So this is how to wash your bitter leaves for bitter leaf soup. Okay, just like a pro. Okay guys, bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and turn on the bell. Thank you.